Imagine watching a cinematic video that feels like it belongs on a movie trailer. Dramatic lighting, smooth camera movement, emotional framing, and that unmistakable cinematic atmosphere. Now pause for a moment, because what you're watching right now wasn't filmed with a camera. The video you're watching was created entirely using Higgsfield Cinema Studio features. No camera, no film crew, no professional editing software. Just imagination and AI. For years, creating cinematic videos meant expensive equipment, complex software, long timelines, and professional skills that took years to master. But Higgsfield Cinema Studio completely changes that story. It removes the technical barriers and puts the power of cinema directly into your hands. Instead of worrying about lenses, lighting setups, or editing timelines, you've simply described your vision. You define the scene, the emotion, the mood, and even how the camera should move. Higgsfield understands cinematic language and transforms your words into smooth, dramatic, movie-level visuals. One of its most powerful features is the ability to guide your video using start frames and end frames. You choose how a scene begins and how it ends, and Higgsfield intelligently generates everything in between: fluid motion, natural transitions, and cinematic pacing that feels professionally directed. This is why it's a game changer. Whether you're creating a music video, a movie trailer, a short film, or a powerful story, you no longer need expensive tools or years of experience. Creativity moves faster. Ideas come to life effortlessly. So stay tuned, because I'm about to show you exactly how you can use Higgsfield Cinema Studio to easily create your next movie or story step by step with no stress and no limits. Cinema has changed, and this is just the beginning.
So, if you want to create this stunning cinematic video, so let me show you. All you need to do is to head over to your browser and type higgsfield.ai. All right, this is where the magic is on AI too. Trust me. So when you go over, you have to sign in or sign up if you don't already have an account. All right. So once you will come over to this amazing interface of Higgsfield. All right. If you scroll down, they have beautiful other templates you can use for your content. All right. At the menu bar at the top screen, you can see video. Select the video. Click on Cinema Studio Videos. All right. That's what we're creating. This is the Cinema Studio feature. All right. So when you come over here, you will see image. You can use it to create your own image. All right. I'll show you how we use that. And this is the video. Here you can select your camera movement as well. This is beautiful. This is your aspect ratio, your duration. This is your duration and all that. So the first thing we have to do is to click on the image. We want to generate images for our first scene. And so when you click on the image, you paste in the prompt you want. What image do you want to create? All right. You can select the resolution, change your resolution if you want. It costs you 2 credits to generate. You click on generate. All right. You can as well generate your second, which is your end frame. I'll show you how this is done. Okay. You click on generate. So here you can see the first image is ready. You click on generate to generate your second image. Okay. Our first image is ready. So this is the first image now. All right. What you will do is when you touch on the image, you will see start frame. Okay, select it as a start frame. All right. Then head over to the image and select your second image as a end frame. All right. This will bring you here. What does this mean? We want the video to start with this image and end here. All right. So this is the prompt, what I want to happen in the video. Okay. So this is the prompt. Here you can select your duration. You can select 5 seconds. I'll be going for 10 seconds. All right. Once you've done that and you've previewed the prompt, all you need to do is to click on generate and the video will generate instantly. As the video is generating, you can also go to the pricing option on Higgsfield and check out the prices, okay, of their subscription. They have the basic, which is $9. They have the pro, which is 17.4 pence. Okay. You look at it. And also they have the ultimate and the creator subscription. All right. Those ones you can get unlimited video generation using that. All right. So go ahead and select the ones that you like. They're also on promo this Christmas time. So you can also look at that out. So the video is ready. You can see, I want to create a trailer, all right, for a movie. So this is it. And this is what Higgsfield has given to me. This is so beautiful. Look at that Hollywood style of movie. So Let's go ahead and try another. This looks so real, so beautiful. And this is a game changer for movie. If you someone you're planning to create movie, you're planning to create storytelling, this is it for you. All right. That action you need in a movie, this is it. All right. So once you like that, just go ahead and click on download. Okay. So here I've generated this image. All right. This one will be the start frame. Just at the top, you select it as a start frame. Head over to the image. You select this as a end frame. Okay. Once you've selected your start frame and your end frame, which you created actually using Higgsfield, all right, then you paste in the prompt in the box. You can select your, so once you've pasted in your text to video prompt, all right, here you can just only add the start frame, all right. If you just want, you don't need this end frame, you just need a text to video. All you need to do is just to attach image of your character that you need in the start frame, then paste in your prompt, the action you want. You can click on the movements, select a camera movements, all right. We have different ones here. I want the camera to pan from left. All right. You select that. Here you select your duration, 10 seconds. If you want a sound on, you can put the sound on. All right. So once you do that, make sure you proofread your prompt and you click on generate. All right. If you're enjoying this tutorial, please don't forget to like, share, comment for more beautiful tutorials like that. So this is how you do that. You go ahead and generate all your scenes. All right. Paste it in the box and just generate it using Higgsfield. So as you can see, the image is ready. I'll be selecting this one as my start frame. I'll be selecting this one as my end frame. All right. In the box here, I'll be pasting in my action prompt, what I want to happen in the video. All right. So all you need to do is to add this, select your duration and click on generate. You can see our previous video is ready. Can you hear that? Look at that. Amazing. Click on download if you like the video. This video is ready. You can see it how smooth. Look at that sunshine. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. So you can continue to create your images, your videos. So you can continue to create your videos like this. All you need to do is to click on the image first. All right. Remember, when you click on your image, get the prompt for your first, the image you want to use as your start frame. Generate that image first. All right. If you want to end frame, you attach the prompt for your end frame and click on generate. Allow those images to generate. All right. Try it out. It's very, very easy to use and very convenient to use. All right. Okay. So here I'll be using this as my start frame, and I'll go back to the image. I'll be using this as my end frame. All right. In the box here, I'll be pasting in the action I want in the movie and just click on generate. So remember, if you like the video, you will see the arrow download button. Click on it and download the video to your device. Okay. Try yours out and let me know how you found this Higgsfield Cinematic Studio features. And start creating your movie, start creating your content. Start creating your content, guys. So another thing you can do is that, remember, you can also upload your image, your start frame image from your own device, all right? So you can click on the plus sign on the start frame and click on upload images. When you click on there, it will take you direct to your device and you can upload your own choice of image, all right? But here I'm using the ones from Higgsfield, all right? So I'll just click on this as my start frame, head over to the image and use this as my end frame. So that's what I use. Then my duration is always on 10 seconds. I want it a bit longer. Then I'll click on generate. This one is ready. You can see that. You can see the confrontation. You can see the movement. You can see the emotion in his eyes. All right. That's what we need. We need movies with emotion. And this is what Higgsfield is giving us. All right. We need that emotion. We need that emotion. This is beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. Once you're happy with that, you click on download. All right. This one is ready as well. You can see the movement. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This feature is amazing. It's everything. All right. So if you're into movie, you are into storytelling, you're a content creator that needs action in your movie, in your content. This is it. Go ahead and try it out. Try it out, guys.